back here, and I'm just, well, I was just recording something my friend Tyler made.
Say what?
And he made this really awesome invention world, and Tyler, show us some of the stuff.
Okay, I'll show you the jump pad first. It's like so amazing.
He made a jump pad with butter.
Yeah, and TNT and gold. Wait, no, butter is gold. What am I thinking?
This is a jump pad.
Yeah.
You have to be on survival to use it. Shut up, Mother Tyler.
Yeah, watch this.
So he jumps on it. The TNT explodes.
Come on!
And you don't get hurt.
Yeah, you don't get hurt unless you hit the gold. Oh yeah! And then this over here. This is my beautiful train.
He made a train that actually moves.
Now I cannot take credit for making this one or that jump pad because I searched it up on YouTube and got it, so I'm not taking credit for it. This is my beautiful laser. If you guys are wondering, it's exactly
the same butter laser.
You can use either gold, diamonds, or emerald, or iron to do it. Anything that you could like find and put in a furnace. Except for coal, of course. That won't work. You guys just test it out. This is my amazing elevator.
He made an awesome elevator that works.
Yeah, not always though, so you guys don't rely on this. See, watch this. No.
The elevator didn't work. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, the elevator works.
Oh, yeah, I got to the
elevator
top floor and flying.
And he also has a time machine.
Yes, that's my nether portal. This is my time machine.
See how it's... Wait, Tyler, look outside.
Back.
See how it's like nighttime?
Yeah, see how it's nighttime, almost daytime. Watch this.
It's daytime and nighttime. Watch this, though.
Now, everybody, watch these clocks right here.
Watch the clocks.
Beautiful clocks. Watch.
Now it's back to nighttime.
Yeah, pretty awesome. It adds some fail thing. And that's one world. Oh yeah, that's a trap if you guys are wondering. It's a trap because you break the grab ball, open the chest, and the lava comes out and pours on top of you.
Okay, try it. I want to see it.
Okay. The chest
is there even anything in the chest?
No! Damn it, get in the chest! What the heck? And then you burn. You burn miserably. And that's that one.
Except you'll have it differently so that you can't hop out and you have to die like, oh my god. So, do you have any more invention worlds?
I have one more.
He has one more world.
One more world, and it's pretty cool too. Pretty cool! See that? Oh, wait, whoa,
where are we? Whoa, what's going on? Squid! No, run! Squid!
Okay, that was called, as you can see outside, boom! My beautiful tree. This is one of my traps.
What is it?
It's kind of screwed up right now, but it's never supposed to be on. That anvil is supposed to be on top of you and drops on you and kills you.
The anvil will fall on you and kill you.
I was trying to make a desert temple, but that didn't really work out.
You failed with the temple.
Guess what? This is the height of the brick limit because this is super flat and it's just really big. And if you put an anvil here, it'll fall all the way down and not break. And it hit the bottom. This is my beautiful glass house. You guys
it's his beautiful glass house.
This is pretty cool.
What is it?
It's a pathway. See, watch.
It's a pathway. It's fire?
You can't get across it.
Can't get across the pathway? He flips the switch, and now we can get it gone.
Oh, what happened?
Why can't we get across the pathway?
What happened? Sorry guys, I gotta push this lever even more. What the heck is going on here? Oh well guys, that thing's screwed up.
No, the pathway's screwed up.
This is my fail on a Zeppelin.
He failed to make
You guys don't even want to know what's inside here because it's just ugly and horrible. My beautiful nether portal.
What the heck?
Stuff.
What the heck is that? No, not that.
Oh,
no, not that. Turn around. That.
Oh, yeah.
No, not that.
Watch this. That floor's gonna rise.
Rising floor.
And this is my beautiful castle. I am a builder, if you guys want to know. I'm a builder and a creator. It's pretty massive.
How did you get fireworks?
Oh, I had too many items a while ago, so it gave me fireworks spawns. But it's pretty flippin' cool. This was my fail on trying to make a train out of my own creation without looking anything up. It sucked. Same with this. This is supposed to be an elevator. It sucked. That is just really bad as well. And you guys don't really want to know what that is. Now, I'll show you guys this. And this is pretty cool. It's getting loud.
It's getting so loud in here. And we're at school.
Where the heck give us? Hey guys, this is a trap. Just let me finish this. Hold on.
Don't look. Don't look at him. He's still building. He's almost done. Don't look. Tyler, don't look at this. Whoa, your head is so big. That is the creator of all of this. That's Tyler. That's the other Tyler. That's Tyler. That's the other Tyler. What? It's the original Xbox. Are you done yet?
I just need to attach that, and I'm gonna go on survival now. Oh yeah, that's my.
Whoa. What kind of armor was that?
But this is my stuff. That's my bow. It's called the Bow of Awesomeness.
Did you create that?
Yeah, I did.
How?
I did. It's a secret. Okay, now watch this, guys. Oh wait. Watch this. Oh wait. Oh crap. 1 sec, guys. I accidentally forgot something.
And this is on the PC version.
Yes, this is PC. Just to let you guys know. So watch this, guys. Pretty cool.
Watch.
Oh hey, look at that chest over there.
When you're supposed to walk in and you're like, hey, look at that chest. No, and that blows up.
How I got hurt, but how I didn't get hurt, but that's just how the thing goes. This one wasn't finished, but in my temple over here, it was.
Tyler, whatever you do, do not spawn any squids.
Yeah, I know. Squid.
No squids.
This isn't a door. See, I just like opened that door. It's pretty awesome.
Hey, look at that.
Cool stuff in here, but you guys tune in next time to see that, okay?
No, Joe was it? No. Shut up.
Find it!
No.
Yay! As I adventure through this dark cave. In this temple there are lots of riches. Try to collect them all. In this chest there are riches and weapons that you need. Yes, some weapons and riches. Here, this tripwire is supposed to be lava here, but it's not there right now. And then over here, looks like you made it past the dispenser. Okay, go down. Ah! And then you find a pretty dark room. Yeah, it's pretty dark. So over here, some cool stuff, like a lava drop, like you fall down, go, burning! No way to get back up. Some chest with some stuff.
Good
Then
stuff.
this.
Shut up, Tyler. For you.
This gives you 44 emeralds, some ladders and stuff like that, and diamonds. Ladders are for here and for something else. So you get up, you get out here, and then you're supposed to use that pickaxe if you saw it in that chest over at the. Yeah, no. And then you go in here. Yeah. Well, why don't you just keep that open? Then there's this chest, has some
Butter! Go back in the chest. Yeah, go back in the chest.
There's butter!
There's so much butter!
This lever leads all the way. I'm not going to open it because I'm really lazy right now. It leads all the way. All the way over here. Over here. Yeah, it's amazing. This opens. It's a door. Oh yeah, if you guys were wondering what that other thing over here, that's just a trap. You fall down, there will be zombies and creepers. And that sign's a fake, don't listen to it! So, as I adventure on, I go through numerous
butter doorway.
Here and here, there's some stairs and stuff like that that leads up. You will need every item in this chest. Pretty amazing, eh? Over down this hallway leads to lever. I'm not showing you guys because I'm bored, obviously. And so it opens up this doorway, which again is a basically a side doorway. You get up here. This will kill you with your arrows. And one lever opens the door, the other lever drops an anvil on you. See, there's that trap again. This is next door. Don't tell me that. Oh, really? Okay, so this is the door. There will be stone here, and you put TNT here to blow it up. So, anyways, down here is two ways. This way is nothing, and this way is that trap I showed you guys. And yeah, that's what it is. I put that block up there so I won't walk through and be stupid. But yes, that's the trap, updated. And you will die in it. You will.
You will die in that trap.
Yes, you will. And that's all, folks. But
So this is the end of Tyler's awesome inventions. And see you guys.
Part one, yeah.
Part one. All credit goes to Tyler. Stop, Tyler. All credit goes to that Tyler, not that Tyler.
Fuck you.
Okay, Spike guys.
It's just another piece of junk if you guys want to know about it. And that's it.
All right, bye guys.
Press the video right now.
Subscribe to Skyler's Minecraft.